What's up guys, gitignore here. So I'm back with a follow-up video from a previous video. So gitignore file, it's not difficult to make, and the first thing you do if you're using the terminal, just go to the terminal, navigate to the location of your git repository, and to create a gitignore file you just do the command touch.gitignore. So the dot, it's a .gitignore, so that the file .gitignore, when you put it, you are not able to not able to see it as a normal file, because when you see a dot preceding the file name, that file is majority of the time it's hidden. So even it's hidden, so it will only be detected when you're working on Git. And the .gitignore file, when you open it, let's say for example you're using the terminal, you can just open it with VI, then you put the files and folders that you don't want seen. So yeah, then also if you want to ignore the files that are already checked in, you must untrack the files before you add a rule to ignore it. From your terminal, to untrack the file, use the command right there, and git rm -- cache, then file name, and yeah, happy coding.